Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is a highly requested turban tutorial. I just share with you the 4 ways I usually tie my head wraps. So if you'd like to see how I do it, then keep on watching. So to begin with, I usually have like an underscarf underneath. So I fold my jersey scarf in half, then I put the folded part on top of my head. I just adjust it, then I crisscross like at the back of my head, then flip one side over. Now when I flip this side over, I make sure it creates like a diagonal line rather than following the base that was already there. Then I take the other one and put it across as well, so that it creates like a V kind of on top of my head. I then just adjust it to how I want, and then I pop on my earrings, and that's it basically. The second look, I used a crinkly hijab and I just folded it in half as well, but this time I used the ends as my front part. So I just folded it like the same way, but this time I don't take it over. I just like layer it behind the first part, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I just fold it and then fix the edges and then just tuck it in. By the way, all these styles are like pinless, so it's very quick. I just adjust those frills. I like it when those frills are like everywhere. I don't know, they just look cool. And that's basically it for this style. For the third style, I just use a white fabric underneath because the chiffon scarf I'm using is very slippery. So I just tie a knot at the front instead of at the back. And then I use the remaining sides. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. But yeah, I cover up the top part that was peeking through. I take the other end and just adjust it and tuck it in and basically just make it work for me because it's easily like my favorite. I don't know, I just love the look it gives me. So that's basically it. We now have such a gorgeous like top knot situation going on, a little dance break, and we're good to go. So for the final style, I just use like a cotton hijab. Good thing about like the scarf is it's very big. That means you have so much like fabric to work with. Just the same as the first. I'll just like flip one side over, and then the second side I'll just flip it once. Just once and bring it back around. You have like a remaining fabric over your shoulder, so we leave that just hanging there. This style is very, I don't know, I just find it so feminine and nice. That's basically it. That's the final style. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.